Breakfast is your first opportunity to fuel your body with real, nutrient-dense foods that support both your gut and brain. But here's the key. Skip the seed oils, processed foods, and fillers. Instead, focus on simple, single-ingredient foods that heal and energize. Let me show you how. Option 1. Eggs and grass-fed butter. Start your morning with a classic, simple meal. Cook 2 or 3 pasture-raised eggs in a tablespoon of grass-fed butter. Pair it with sautéed spinach or kale for added fiber and nutrients. Eggs are packed with choline, which supports brain health, while the butter provides healthy fats that help your body absorb essential vitamins. Option 2. Fresh fruit and raw honey. For a lighter breakfast, try a bowl of fresh, seasonal fruit like berries, kiwi, or an apple. A drizzle of raw honey for natural sweetness and gut-healing enzymes. This option is quick, hydrating, and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's simple, yet incredibly effective for nourishing your body. Option 3. Grass-fed beef and avocado. If you're looking for a high-protein breakfast, go with a small portion of ground grass-fed beef or steak. Half an avocado on the side for creamy, brain-boosting fats. This combination is rich in protein and healthy fats, giving you sustained energy throughout the day without any processed ingredients. Option 4. Bone broth with eggs. Bone broth isn't just for soups, it's a powerful breakfast option. Heat up a cup of warm, homemade bone broth. Whisk in a pasture-raised egg for added protein. This nutrient-dense breakfast is soothing for your gut and provides collagen, amino acids, and minerals to support healing and recovery. Option 5. Yogurt and berries. For a simple yet satisfying start, choose plain full-fat yogurt from grass-fed cows or a high-quality, non-dairy alternative like coconut yogurt. Add fresh, whole berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. This combination is loaded with probiotics for gut health and vitamins to fuel your brain. Option 6. Smoked salmon and cucumber. If you love savory breakfasts, try a few slices of wild-caught smoked salmon. Fresh cucumber slices for crunch and hydration. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function, and cucumber provides a refreshing, hydrating element. Option 7. Sweet potato and ghee. For a warm, comforting meal, roast a sweet potato until tender. Top it with a dollop of ghee for a buttery flavor and gut-healing benefits. This is a great option for steady energy and natural carbs to keep you going all morning. These breakfast ideas skip the processed foods and seed oils, focusing instead on whole, single-ingredient options that nourish your gut and fuel your brain. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more simple, health-focused tips and recipes. See you next time.